If you've been on Twitter or in any Discord mastermind lately, you're probably terrified to even hit the upload button. You're hearing about trust scores, synth ID detection, and people telling you that if you don't warm up your account on a residential proxy in a specific browser for 14 days, your channel is dead on arrival. It's exhausting, it's scary, and honestly, it's mostly nonsense. The reason you are hearing all these claims about how things are supposed to work isn't because the algorithm changed. It's because if they can convince you there is a new secret algorithm, they can sell you a new course on how to fix it. I'm going to tell you the truth about how these systems actually work, backed by actual documentation and my time working in this industry, so you can stop playing the IT guy and start being a creator. Here is the reality check. As most of you know my background, where I have worked for an MCN, which means multi-channel network, I have contact with some big creators and people from YouTube, actual employees. We casually do some meetups to brainstorm ideas, share ideas, and last week I went for a drink with some of them. We were just hanging out, talking shop. And you know what we talked about? We talked about operations. We talked about packaging. We talked about retention loops. You know what we didn't talk about? We didn't spend 3 hours debating which anti-detect browser hides your digital fingerprint best. When I talk to people who are actually winning in this space, or the people building the platform, the conversation is rarely about tricks. But if you look at the guru space right now, it's the opposite. Everyone is claiming a million different hacks. Everyone is an expert on algorithm evasion, but almost no one is backing up their claims with substantial proof. It's all speculation, theory, and trust me, bro. Let's tackle the big one, the trust score. Gurus treat this like a credit score for your video's potential. They say, if you don't watch 50 videos before you upload, your trust score is low and YouTube will hide your content. Here is what trust actually means to YouTube's engineering team. I did the digging. YouTube does measure trust, but it's primarily for advertiser suitability and spam defense. They want to know, are you a bot farm? Are you safe for Coca-Cola to run ads on? It is not a quality score that decides if your video is funny or engaging. If you are a human being, uploading original content and not spamming comments, you are fine. You don't need a VPS, which means virtual private server. You don't need to season your Gmail account like a cast iron skillet. All this sauce about warming up accounts is doing more harm than good. It's just giving you a sophisticated way to procrastinate. Then there's the AI panic. Gemini is watching you. Synth ID will shadowban your AI voice. Let's look at the actual tech. Synth ID is real. It's a watermarking technology from Google DeepMind. But think about the business logic here. Google owns YouTube. Google also owns Gemini. They are aggressively pushing Gemini into the YouTube integration. Do you really think they are spending billions to build AI tools for creators just to ban everyone who uses them? Synth ID isn't a weapon to kill your channel. It's a labeling tool. It allows YouTube to say, hey, this is synthetic content, so they can label it for the viewer. That's it. Transparency, not punishment. If your content is good, nobody cares if you used AI to help write the script or generate a background. If your content is bad, it's not because of Synth ID, it's because the content is bad. And this is the biggest lie right now. YouTube detects AI and shadow bans it. If that were true, explain VidRush. We are seeing new channels launch using VidRush, an all-in-one AI production tool, and they are absolutely exploding. We are talking about channels that are 100% AI generated, from script to voice, visuals, editing, and they are blowing up and getting monetized right now. If YouTube hated AI, these channels would be dead, but they aren't. They are winning. So why are the gurus telling you otherwise? Because they need you to buy their automated content products that supposedly bypass these imaginary filters. They are selling you a cure for a disease you don't have. I'm not saying specific black hat tactics don't exist, but for 99% of you, focusing on proxies and trust scores is just a sophisticated way to procrastinate. You are worried about your IP address when you should be worried about your script. This is exactly what we focus on inside my community. I don't teach hacks. I don't teach you how to trick a robot at Google HQ. I teach you how to make good content, how to leverage AI. We share the niches that are actually working right now. We show you how to use AI, not to be lazy and spam the platform, but to speed up your workflow so you can compete with the big guys. The goal isn't to outsmart the engineer. The goal is to outsmart the other creators in your niche by being faster and better. Stop listening to the people sharing fear. It's designed to keep you broke and dependent on their next update. If you want to actually build an asset, come join us in the community. Let's focus on growth, let's focus on quality, and let's actually post some videos. I'll see you in there.